The SVG element can be used to add vector graphics, such as shapes and logos, to a web page. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. Vector graphics differ from traditional images, called raster images, in that they are drawn using mathematics. Detail is not lost when vector graphics are resized, unlike raster images, which can suffer from pixelation. Let's have a look at an example of an SVG element from w3schools.com. The element begins with SVG and width and height attributes. This defines the space you can use to draw your shapes. The rect element tells the browser to draw a rectangle. Here it has a width of 300 pixels and a height of 100. This style attribute sets the shape's color. This is the text that will be displayed if the web browser doesn't support SVG elements. Let's add an ellipse from another example. Specific elements and attributes for SVG shapes aren't important for the MTA exam, but you do need to have a basic understanding of how to use SVG elements and know when and why to use SVG. To summarize, you would use SVG elements when you need to create graphics that can be resized without losing detail. The Canvas element is an area of a page that can be used to draw graphics via scripting, usually JavaScript. Canvas elements can be used to combine text and graphics in one area, create dynamic graphics, generate animations, and for creating games and interactive video. Again, the intricate details of Canvas are not required for the MTA exam, but let's have a quick look at another example from W3 Schools. The canvas is defined, again with a height and width, and also a background color in this case. But all of the drawing and animation is done by JavaScript. This function, for example, draws the clock face. This function adds the numbers to the clock, which are text and not graphics. And this function updates the time.